Headlines making the news this afternoon. Businessman murdered in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon. Armed man purporting to be policeman chopped at businessman home in St. James. Angry residents stage protests in Ferry Hill, Portland. Several residents in Ferry Hill, Portland are staging a protest over a lack of water and what they describe as poor road conditions. Angry residents have used debris to block the roadway and are calling on authorities to address their concerns. As a result of the protests, several residents have been inconvenienced as transport operators are said to be avoiding the area. More details later. A businessman was gunned down along Mac Corner in Palmer's Cross, Clarendon on Sunday night. He has been identified as 40-year-old Oniel Rooms, also known as D, of Kennedy Lane in Palmer's Cross. Police reports have stated that about 8 p.m., Rooms was sitting on a wall in front of his shop eating ice cream when he was pounced upon by men on foot, armed with handguns. Rooms reportedly ran and was chased by the men who opened gunfire, hitting him in the head and upper body. He died on the spot, the police say. Sources have disclosed that the murder occurred in the vicinity of a church crusade. An armed man, purporting to be a policeman, was chopped several times after he allegedly entered a businessman's home in Canaan, St. James this morning. The suspect is under police guard at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in the Western Parish. Reports are that the man went to the shopkeeper's home at about 12:30 a.m. and knocked on the door saying police. The homeowner reportedly peeked through a window and saw the man standing at his door with a gun. He recognized his attacker from an argument the two had earlier. The purported cop reportedly started kicking the door, which the homeowner refused to open. He allegedly shut off the locks, entered the house, and started shooting at the shopkeeper, police reports say. However, by then, the businessman had already armed himself with a machete, which he used to chop the intruder. The man ran from the house into nearby bushes and later turned up at the hospital.